DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land surveying. One such group of DGPS surveyors is located in Ahamedpur Chauroli. They are known for their expertise in conducting accurate and precise surveys using Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, technology. The use of DGPS allows them to achieve high levels of accuracy in determining the position of various points on the land. This is especially important in projects that require precise measurements, such as construction, infrastructure development, and mapping. With their knowledge and skills, DGPS surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli provide valuable data and information to support these projects. The DGPS surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli are well equipped with the necessary tools and equipment to carry out their work effectively. They use specialized DGPS receivers that can receive signals from multiple satellites simultaneously, allowing for increased accuracy in positioning. These receivers are also capable of correcting errors caused by atmospheric conditions and other factors, resulting in more reliable survey data. Additionally, they utilize advanced software programs to process and analyze the collected data, enabling them to generate accurate maps, plans, and reports. One of the key services provided by the DGPS surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli is land surveying for construction projects. Before any construction work can begin, it is essential to have an accurate understanding of the land's topography, boundaries, and features. DGPS surveyors use their expertise in mapping and measuring to provide detailed surveys that guide the construction process. This information helps architects, engineers, and contractors make informed decisions about design, foundation placement, and other aspects of the project. With their services, they assist in creating sustainable and well-planned environments that meet the needs of communities while adhering to industry standards. In the realm of land surveying, DGPS surveyors are essential. Ahamedpur Chauroli is home to one such group of DGPS surveyors. They have a reputation for employing the Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, to conduct precise and accurate surveys. The use of DGPS enables them to locate numerous spots on the land with a high degree of accuracy. This is crucial for tasks requiring exact measurements, such as building new infrastructure and doing mapping. DGPS surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli offer essential data and information to help these initiatives with their experience and expertise. The Ahamedpur Chauroli DGPS surveyors have all the tools and equipment they need to do their jobs efficiently. In order to boost location accuracy, they make use of sophisticated DGPS receivers that can concurrently receive signals from several satellites. The accuracy of the survey data is improved by the ability of these receivers to correct inaccuracies brought on by air conditions and other variables. They also use cutting-edge software to analyze the gathered data, allowing them to produce precise maps, plans,